You're looking here at a wonderful and uncommon mid-19th century color lithographed map of the city of New York, which shows the boundaries of the fire department. The key at the top here shows where the headquarters is, the engine houses, the hook and ladder houses, the repair shops, the fuel depots, the bell towers, and the hospital stable. It's very detailed, very interesting. You see here Central Park with all of the paths and the reservoir there, and then down at this corner we see the rest of Central Park with all the paths and the reservoir there. The fold lines on this are original, and when we flip it over we see that the map is very well preserved. There's a tiny insignificant little repair to a split here at the edge, but that is all but invisible when viewing this map, and it's just a splendid, clean example, nearly as fresh as when printed, and it's currently now available online from me, Brian DeMambro.